So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment, Consumer Psychology Week 8 Assignment 8. So the first question is, which of the following is one of the first hierarchy of effects models developed as early as the 1890s and is still in widespread use today? So these are the options, and now let's check the answer of our first question. So question first, the first model developed as early as the 1890s and is still in widespread use is the AIDA model. So the answer of our first question is A. Now, the second question is, according to the extended dual meditation model, the thought about the ad CAD as well the attitude toward the ad in turn influence the formation or change of the audiences. So these are the options, and now let's check the answer of our second question. So question second, the thought about the ad CAD as well as the attitude toward the ad in turn influences the formation of audience thoughts about the brand CB and the attitude toward the brand AB. So the answer of our second question is B. Now the third question is an example of targeted media is. So these are the options, and now let's check the answer of our third question. So question third, effective selection depends on understanding targeted consumers and their media use habit magazine. So the answer of our third question is B. Now, the fourth question is, to describe message effects. Researchers have developed a series of models that explain different levels of consumer response to advertising. These are known as, so these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our fourth question. So, question four, researchers have developed a series of hierarchy of effects models that explain different levels of consumer response to advertising. So, the answer of our fourth question is C. Now, the fifth question is, in the variation of the model proposed by Levitt and Steiner, effects are broken down into. So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our fifth question. So question fifth, the hierarchy of effect model. So the answer of our fifth question is A. Now the sixth question is, which model illustrates that different level of the hierarchy may affect cognitive, affective, or behavior components in the decision process. So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our sixth question. So question sixth, integrated information response model is more effective than hierarchy of effect model and captures a diverse range of consumer responses. So the answer of our sixth question is A. Now, the seventh question is, in the cognition trial affect commitment sequence following exposure to a marketing communication message. The consumer forms lower order beliefs and affect which may induce. So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our seventh question. So question seven, the goal of the advertisement should be to induce trial. So the answer of our seventh question is C. Now, the eighth question is, identify the pattern in which the marketer has multiple goals to reinforce initial beliefs about the brand's attributes and benefits, strengthen positive attitude toward the brand, and reinforce commitment. So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our eighth question. So question eight, cognition trial. Reinforce initial beliefs about the brand's attributes and benefits, strengthen positive attitude toward the brand, and reinforce commitment. So the answer of our eighth question is C. Cognition trial. Now, the ninth question is, dash services are more personal, fun, experiential, pleasurable, and or value expressive to the consumer. So these are the options, and the answer of our ninth question is B, hedonic. Now, the tenth question is, celebrities are effective because they appeal to the consumers. Dash. So these are the options, and now let's check the answer of our tenth question. Question 10, identification with ideal self is when consumers identify with a source, seeing similarities between that source and the way they would like themselves to be. So the answer of our 10th question is C. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.